What's up guys, this is Ragman and welcome back to another Airsoft video. Today you're joining me back at Alunda, where I start the day off by taking my very own friend out of the game. Today was a very fun day. I was there with a bunch of friends and we ended up on different teams, so a lot of time was spent trying to hunt each other. I sit for a while to try and see if I can find any more enemies, but I can't see anyone moving at all, so I decide it's time to go to the other side of the field. After walking for quite some time, I find myself hiding behind a bush as enemies approach me from every direction. I manage to take one guy down with me before I get shot out of the game.
Gör den här.
Du kan se.
Ja.
Du ställer vapen här.
Vi kan prova.
Sikten om du ser någonting. Jag har sett några.
Så jävla buskage i vägen.
Ja, exakt.
Fick en och...
Ja, bra.
I respawn and immediately get to work. I take out an enemy that's been pinning down my teammate for a while. And I stick around holding the same door in case any more enemies would show up.
En korsade till vänster nu.
Okej, jag ser några stycken. I got one on the right.
Nice, nice. Oh, sorry.
I decide to crawl in under a tree to check our flank, just to make sure we're not getting pushed from the side. And as I lay down, I can see a bunch of enemies trying to move up on us. And once again, I managed to get only one guy into the grave with me. Four guys with automatic weapons decided to rush me, and there was no way out of this position. So it was back to respawn for me, where I find my friend trying to sneak behind us. I move up a bit and I spot another one of my friends hiding behind a bunch of old tires. One can say she got the full worth of her scope protector right there. And it's not long until she's back at the same place again. This time I actually hit a bullseye on her suppressor, and the BB got jammed up in there, so we had to get that out before she could continue playing. A little bit after taking that guy out, I decide I have to move position. I spot a guy entering a fortress straight in front of me, and I know I have to take him out before he shoots my team in the back. On my way to take out the guy in the fortress, I spot a guy hiding behind the same tires again. This upcoming shot I feel a bit bad for. I already shot my friend 3 times.
Fortfarande däcken.
And this time I hit her straight in the forehead.
Jag tror att de inte kommer gå den här skogen de är nu. Jag tror att... Oh.
So the game mode we're playing is Treasure Hunt.
Jag fick han. Han kom en liten bit va.
And that guy just tried to grab one of the barrels their team needs to win.
Jag visste inte att den dunken var där, men jag ska vara helt ärlig.
The next game is a game of domination, where me and my friend Andreas, who you've seen many times on this channel, decide to go for a flank.
Åh jävlar. Jag har solen över. Har du han eller? Ska jag ta han? Det är bara att det är sol överallt.
We find one guy who is separated from his team, we take him out, but we fear that he might come back looking for us.
Andra sidan vägen.
And just like clockwork, he comes looking for us and almost steps on top of me as I'm hiding in the grass. I actually shot this guy after he was already hit. I didn't see that he raised his arm, and he didn't call it out until after I shot him, but that's still my bad, so if you're watching this video, I'm very sorry.
Fick en.
I split off from Andreas to see if I can go and get the flag, so my team can win this game of domination. After taking that guy out, I decide to try and cross the road. Immediately after crossing the road, I spot two guys looking for me, and I know I've already shot these guys once this game, so they know I'm here somewhere. I decide to hide myself under a tree, sit as still as I possibly can, and just hope that they don't see me. I somehow managed to take both of them out without them even raising their weapons, and I know now is my time to raise the flag.
Träff!
I get hit after raising the flag, and it's game over for me. And that's all I have for today. So if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.